안녕하세요. Hello and welcome back to Busanpedia's Korean tutorial. This is the third video in my Korean sentence structure series. Today we are diving into one of the most commonly used forms, subject, object, and predicate. Ready to get started? Let's go! Before we begin, let's do a quick recap. So far we've covered subject and predicate. Subject, adverbial, and predicate. If you haven't seen those videos yet, be sure to check them out in the description below. Now, we are adding the object into the mix. Let's take a look at the difference between English and the Korean sentence order. In English, you would say, I drink coffee. Here, I is the subject, coffee is the object, and drink is the predicate, in this case the verb. The order is subject, verb, object. But in Korean, it flips a little. 나는 커피를 마셔요. Here, 나는 is the subject, 커피를 is the object, and 마셔요 is the verb. So the order is subject, object, and verb. Remember, in Korean, the predicate usually comes at the very end of the sentence. Now, let's take a look at the Korean object marker for a second. In Korean, object markers, or you can call them object particles, they show which noun is receiving the action of the verb. This is called the object, or 목적어 in Korean. The Korean object markers are 을 and 를. And which one you use depends on whether the noun ends in a final consonant, called 받침 in Korean. For now, just keep that in mind. We will go into more details in other videos about particles, 조사. Now let's look at some examples. 학생이 책을 읽어요. 우리는 영화를 봤어요. 그는 그녀를 사랑한다. Now let's try making some sentences in this form. You just learned the subject, object, and predicate structure. A core pattern that you will use all the time in Korean. Just remember, in English, subject, verb, object. In Korean, subject, object, and verb.